Hello, my name is Yvonne Martin with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams. We are here in our brand new listing in the Eastbrook subdivision in Winter Park. This is a beautiful 1,250 square feet home, has many upgrades, brand new roof, huge lot, 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bath. So let's go inside and take a look. So here we are inside the house. This house has an open floor plan. To the right hand side of the house we have the bedrooms, and to the left hand side we have the kitchen. This is the open concept area where you would have your dining room, living room, and in front of us you would have the family room. To the left hand side we have the kitchen, like I mentioned. The kitchen has been completely renovated. It has brand new cabinets, granite countertops, all stainless steel appliances. The house also has brand new windows. It has a tankless water heater that was recently installed. And like I said, a brand new roof. So let's go outside and take a look at this backyard. It's completely fenced. It has a shed. It's huge. You can even fit a pool outside. So here we are in the backyard. We have a patio area where you can have your outdoor furniture and enjoy your evenings outside, enjoy your backyard. This property, it has easy access to 417. It's very close to shopping plazas, many restaurants, so it's in a great location. So I hope that you love watching our video. My phone number and our website is at the bottom of the screen. I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day and hope to see you here.